Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Explorer. Stock number is 18F938A. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Those will keep you nice and safe. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.